Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. Not sure what's in this one as per usual, but we'll find out together. Thanks so much for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and support this channel, you can find it right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. Let's see here. Why are you out of breath? Because I just missed a whole bunch of card throws in a row. And they kept flying behind the table. So I've been crawling under my... Okay, anyways. Ooh, we have Spyderco. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, well, thank you very much. I appreciate that. There's the box. Hang on one sec. Some additional packaging materials. Good deal. Okay, so what do we have here in the notes? Let's take a look. Real quick here. It is literally just... Okay, it's just his information. So what do we have here? Spyderco box. Oh, boy. Yes. The, is this the Mystic Green Manix 2? Oh, cool. Okay. I don't know where it is that these are. Holy moly, that's CPM20CV. Okay, so I'll link this down below if I can. If I can't, I'll link Spyderco knives and Manix 2 knives in general right down below. If you guys don't know, I very much love the Spyderco Manix 2. It's definitely one of the better American models that are available. Is there a readout on this one? Oh, is this a Knife Joker exclusive? Okay, well, hang on. Here's a readout. Yeah. Where does it say? I just saw the Knife Joker. Yeah, and it's available through their sales. So there you go. That's where this was available. You can pause and read that if you want to. Okay, cool. So, listen, I've reviewed the Spyderco Manix before. I've reviewed the lightweight Spyderco. Ooh, that's nice and smooth. Ooh, yes. Very smooth. Do we have solid lockout? Yeah, we do. Do we have good centering? Yeah, we do. Wow, that's impressive. So this is cool. I've said this a lot lately. For whatever reason, this is not a review, by the way. This is just an unboxing. I've reviewed the Manix 2. I've reviewed the Manix 2 lightweight. I've done multiple videos on the Manix. You can literally go through my Spyderco playlist and find everything that I've ever done on the Manix 2, and you can check out my thoughts on that if you want to. I will do an overview on this model and just talk about it a little bit because I like to do videos on varying knives, you know, different blade shapes, different materials, right? Even if it's the same knife, it's just fun. The lightweight Manix 2 is one of the more preferable lightweight Spydercos that they do. I have a, well, I don't like injection mold plastic as much as I like G10 backed up by steel liners, but the Manix 2, the way that it's built in its lightweight form, is still incredibly durable. In fact, it's probably still pretty much overkill for, you know, just regular day-to-day stuff anyway. And I've got this weird thing right now with sort of a teal, like teal colors and purple colors and, you know, kind of the... Well, see, on the camera, this looks more blue, but I'm telling you guys in person, this is more of an aqua green. It's, I would say, a couple shades more green than it's actually appearing on camera. So if you're like, I don't like teal so much, I'm more like green, right? It's almost kind of a aquamarine, almost like approaching, not quite emerald, but in between aquamarine and emerald. So yeah, this is cool. I really like the color on it. The action is super smooth. I love the idea of having 20 CV on a Manix. I think there might have been some other ones. I know DLT Trading has done the Manix 2 in red G10 and 20 CV, but that's a great steel for this leaf-shaped geometry. I believe these are about 130 thousandths on the spine. Nice tall blade, so it gets pretty thin down there behind the edge, which is nice for CPM 20 CV, which is, of course, an analog to CTS 204P and Bowler M390. So, incredible corrosion resistance, great edge retention, not super tough, but I think those attributes are well exemplified in this blade shape, which I've definitely said before. So this is really cool. This will be a fun overview. Sorry if there were, you know, details that you didn't get from this video. Like I said, down the road, a couple of weeks, something like that. Thank you so much to Jeffrey for sending this in. I really appreciate that. I think that's pretty much all I can say. So there you go. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.